Waking up early on a constant basis is not everyone's cup of tea. More so waking up at 4:30 in the morning. There are a lot of studies out there that says that waking up early makes you more productive, giving yourself a head start to work out, to read, to plan your day, and much more. As I grew older, I became obsessed on how I can become more productive. How can I find little hacks to save time? I listened to numerous TED Talks that talks about time management, time maximization, time hacks, and etc. I also dug deep searching for answers through books, seminars. I stumbled upon these few videos that says that you can save about 2 hours per day just by waking up early. So I challenged myself to see the world in a different perspective.
Good morning, guys. This is day one of waking up at 4:30 for a week challenge. And yeah, it's super early, guys. As you guys can see outside, switch the camera. Yeah, it's early in the morning, 4:30, so let's get it. Yeah, guys, I think I woke up a little early, like around 4:20. And now, as you can see, it's only 4:27 in the morning. I'm currently doing school at 4:27 in the morning. See what happens. Time check, 6:34. So quick update, I just got done with school. It's now 9 o'clock. And it's a good time to run.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Done working out. I did a 5K today. I'm about to eat lunch and head to work. So workout is done, about to go to work. It's currently 12 o'clock and I'll catch you guys afterward, all right? Bye. What's up, guys? It's about 7 o'clock here, actually around 6:45. About to finish up here at work and I'm about to head home. So yeah, it's been a long day. I just ate my dinner and I'm about to hit the sack. I'm pretty tired already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 4:30 in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's about 4:25 in the morning, so I'm gonna go eat a quick breakfast before I work out early in the morning. Whew. So I just got done with my workout, just showered. I did about 10K today. I've been up for about 8 hours now, so yeah, guys, let's kill it. Time check, 5:40. Still at work. Yep. And I'm getting a little bit sleepy now. So guys, I just had my dinner. I'm about to hit the sack. I'm so tired. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 3. Time check, 4:30. Good morning. So for today, let's do something different. Let's go to the beach and catch the sunrise first and see. I think it's 5:10. I think the sunrise is at 5:45. So yeah, it's gonna be something interesting, something cool. So it's currently 5:28 and I just parked at the beach and it just started raining. Hopefully it clears up in time for the sunrise. Man, going to the beach at this time looks very different. Check this out. Guys, I guess there's no sunrise today. It's super overcast. Good thing I got my friend here earlier this morning, so right here. Say hi to my friend, guys. Chilling. Look at the view in the morning. No one's in here. You got all the beach to yourself, pretty much. I guess you can see a little sunrise over there, but clouds, man, clouds. That sunrise morning fail, I decided to go on a run, and yeah, I did some sprints today. It's only about 7:50. So much time, guys. Time check is about 10 in the morning. Been awake for about 5.5, 6 hours now. And yeah, I'm about to get a haircut. And get a car wash as well. I got about 3 hours before I need to go to work, so much time. Woo! Car wash done. Haircut looks good. Time to go to work. Day 4. Time check. Woo! Yeah, you guys get the point. I'm gonna put this camera back here. Hopefully I'm in focus. So yeah, basically on this experiment, firstly I was able to get things done, my priorities done. So for me it was working out and going to the gym. And as you guys can see, I have a ton of time left during the day. And yeah, it's just crazy. By 10 o'clock, all of the important stuff has already been done. And it was just amazing how much time you saved just by waking up 2 hours earlier than you should. So yeah, 4:30 in the morning really changes the plan, how you plan for your day. So yeah guys. Number 2, so I felt like I had longer days. So even though I didn't drink coffee throughout all this experiment, I didn't really feel that tired except for that one day that I was probably running off maybe 4 or 5 hours of sleep. That's it. I think the hardest part was the first day because your body is still getting used to that time, but after a while, I mean, it gets easy. Number 3 is you guys could do a lot of extra stuff throughout the week. So one good example is that day when I went to a beach, and as you guys can see, I saw a different perspective of what's out there at the beach at 5:40 in the morning. And I was able to get a haircut, I was able to get my car washed, and it was all done during a work week, and that was before 1 p.m. that day. And yeah, it's crazy. After 1 p.m. you're pretty much on your free time. You could do a bunch of stuff, even more if you wanted to. So yeah, that's one good reason you guys should try it. And number 4, it gave me the motivation to be the best version of myself. I was able to read a lot more books. I was able to watch more videos, practice more camera stuff. It gave me that sense of joy that I have this extra time to work on myself pretty much. So before I let you guys go, I would like to share a very thoughtful quote by Philip Doddridge that says like, the difference between waking up at 5 and 7 o'clock in the morning for 40 years in a man's life, so supposing this man goes to bed at the same time, it's about adding about 10 years of your life. So just think about that. How much time you could spend with your family, with your friends, to travel, to work out, to watch movies, you know. It's a lot of time. So hopefully you guys try this challenge, and you know, in your own little way. And yeah guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh, turn on those post notifications as well. So yeah guys, I'll see you 4:30. Oh, I challenge you. All right, I'll see you guys on my next video. All right, bye.